Homemade tahini is so easy for you to make at home. It's 3 ingredients, takes like 10 minutes, and it makes everything you use it in that much better. We love using this tahini to make our homemade hummus. We've honestly never looked back.
Tahini is made with sesame seeds. I'm using hulled sesame seeds and toasting them in a dry skillet over medium heat to bring out their flavor and a bit more nuttiness. For a half cup of tahini, we need 1 cup of sesame seeds. Use a wooden spoon to move them around the pan so you don't have any hot spots. Sesame seeds toast quickly, so stay close by. When they take on a light golden color, transfer them to a food processor and process until they turn into a crumbly paste. Open the lid, scrape the sides of the bowl, and then add a couple of tablespoons of neutral oil. This is avocado oil, but any light neutral oil will work. Continue to process until the mixture turns into a drippy, smooth paste. You might need an extra tablespoon of oil to help it along. Add an optional pinch of salt, and you are done. Making your own tahini really does take homemade hummus to the next level. You can store your tahini in the fridge for 1 month. Now you have homemade tahini, I want to show you 3 of our favorite ways to use it. All 3 recipes are linked below. First up, hummus. Homemade hummus is easy to make, and with our easy recipe, you'll be making creamy, smooth hummus in no time. See that soft and fluffy flatbread? We've linked to that recipe too. As you can see, I love it. Next is our sweet and smoky tahini dressing. Of all the salad dressings we've shared, this tahini dressing is the one you'll find in our fridge the most. We love it. And third is our creamy tahini sauce. Perfect for drizzling over roasted veggies like these honey roasted carrots, or drizzle over your next salad or grain bowl. See you next time!